Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're doing well. And don't forget to get your flu shot. I got my flu shot like 2 weeks ago because the way things are, you just don't want to get the flu. Or if you can't take the flu shot, then just remain vigilant. Today we are finally fucking unboxing the Boxy Premium. I received it on September 29th. Last day of the month is September 30th. So I've been a little irritated, but I'm happy to finally get my box. It looks a little something like this. Hit it. I've got a card. And looks like there's some interesting things in here. Some stuff that I think other people have, some things that other people don't have. So I'm excited to see what we have and what it's worth. Oh man, I sure should have my glasses for this. Oh, it's so small. I even got a new pair of glasses recently, but I always forget to bring them in here. All right, the first thing on the list is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening. I'm really excited about this because I love pharmacy items. I love eye creams, and I love cherries. I even have cherries tattooed behind my ear. I love cherries. So this is the Cherry Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. It's a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula, $45. And I also got an extra one in Boxy Pop-Up for $12, which is a hell of a deal. So we're just gonna put that over here. Space is at a premium. The Hip Dot Zion palette, and I did look with this palette. It is beautiful, and it works. Oh, I didn't even notice that part. And it works fantastic. I did this eye look with it, and I'm so happy with it. It's totally colors that I adore for looks, and it's great for fall. It's great for any time of year, really. I'm putting that with my other Hip Dot palettes, and it says, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons, take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. MSRP $30. So we're up to $75 already. Then the next is from Persona Cosmetics. It is a lip gloss. And I am all about some lip glosses lately. Let's check it out. And it says, remember the first time you wore lip gloss? I was a little kid and there was a little roll-on. It was a lip smacker. It was delicious. And now it made you feel sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. I didn't feel like that when I was 7. We took that magic feeling of a gloss and elevated it to the tacky and shine formula that you'll actually want to wear. This tacky, glittery, gooey, and added nourishment oils to create comfortable high shine formula that you will actually want to wear. Oh, this is beautiful. I didn't even look at it till just now. That's gorgeous. That is a beautiful color. That will look fantastic. And this is $16. Into the lip gloss basket it goes. Let's clean off my hand. Wearing a new hoodie. I know it's just black, but it's black and it's got the sleeves that have little thumb holes, so I can feel like I'm a little moody emo kid. Deep in my heart, I was too late to be an emo kid, but so that makes, I'll have to get the calculator out. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. I'm really interested to see what, because there's been weird colors, and I'm interested to see what weird colors or color I got. Light up where you want, when you want. Weightless long Wear Cream Powder Hybrid Highlighter that ranges from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into skin and blend with almost zero effort. Let's see. I got my little thing here. It says it's in Metal Moon. Oh, that might be a color that I will actually want to have. Because like the crazy colors I haven't been very excited about. Like the purples and stuff. I like purples for eyes, but oh wow, it is white. Let's take a little swatch because ooh, it's one that I'll use. I'll actually use this. Look at that. Oh, I don't even have highlighter on right now. What kind of world am I living in without highlighter? We're gonna use this. Oh, that's nice. I can't believe I got a shade that I'll wear. This right side never shows very well. But that's really nice. Sweet! I got a decent color. I'm the most excited because I've seen purples and blues and all kinds of stuff, and I just got a beautiful shiny color. Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. And that is $36. Light up where you want. We already said that, but this is fantastic. I'm so glad to have it because I only have one other Fenty highlighter, and it's in like High Roller or Baller or something like that. We've got 3 things left. Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum. Oh, I love milk and I love serums. I'm super glad to get this. I haven't seen a lot of people get this. It says an overnight solid serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms you so you wake up visibly bouncier, smoother, more refreshed looking skin. $35 or $36. Let's check it out. It's a solid serum, which is cool. Milk likes to do things solidly, in solids and lots of sticks. Look, it's such a pretty lavender, and then I'll just rub it on my skin and I'll have serum on. And that looks like a lot of it, and it's gonna last a really long time. That's fantastic. Yay! Then I'm not gonna open this because I think oh wait, there's more in here. There's 2 more. After this, there's 2 more things. I was tricked. This is The Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essential 12-piece cruelty-free brush set with a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers. Each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. $48. And I'm going to put this in a giveaway or give it to someone at the holidays because I don't need another one, and they're short brushes. So put that over there. Next up is, I've seen a lot of people get this, and everybody's got something to say about this one. This is the 111 Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance-boosted ingredients for a glowing complexion. MSRP $135. That's a lot. I'm probably not going to use it because I used to be into face masks, the paper ones and the silicone and whatever, but I'm not into those anymore, and I've got a ton of them. So this is going to be probably broken up and given to people. But it's really fancy, and it's nice that it's expensive. And in the box, because I would not pay for them, I like the Tony Moly masks. Those are great. And they're like $3 to $5. You can get them like a couple for $5 every now and then at Ulta. They're great. And Billion Dollar Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. This charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application to any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product on the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. And this is $15. And I have like a million sponges. It's always nice to have another one. It feels good. It's very nice soft gray. Now let's get the calculator out and see what our total is. This is an expensive box because it's Luxe, so $45 for the eye cream, $30 for the palette, $16 for the lip gloss. The overnight serum is $36. The pure brushes are $48. The rose gold skin brightening face masks are $135. And then the beauty blender thing is $15. And that is $325. That doesn't sound right. I think I missed something. You guys get to see me struggle using a calculator. That's really embarrassing. $36, $48, $135. Nope, I was right. And $15. That's $325 for a $50 box. Not bad, not too shabby. I got it before the end of the month, but not much more. So I'm really disappointed with Boxy being so late this month. I think it really sucks. And Boxy doesn't seem to care that we think it sucks. But I'm grateful to have received such a... I really am happy with the things that I got. But whatever. Have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.